If you notice browning or watermarks after spot cleaning, stop further cleaning immediately and let the area dry fully. Browning and watermarks are usually signs of dye migration, mineral deposits, or fabric finishing reacting to moisture. So start by gently blotting any remaining dampness with a clean white towel without rubbing, then place a fan to increase air circulation and speed drying. If the fabric allows, lift the cushion cover or use a hair dryer on low heat, held at least 12 inches away to avoid heat damage. Heat can set stains, so use low settings and keep the dryer moving. Once dry, reassess the mark under natural light to determine whether it is a surface deposit or a change in the textile dye. If it looks like a residue, try a mild solvent test in an invisible spot with a cotton swab using distilled water first, then a 90% isopropyl alcohol solution if safe for that fiber. Always testing first. For delicate fibers such as silk, velvet, or vintage textiles, stop at drying and consult a professional upholstery cleaner because aggressive home treatments can worsen browning. When reattempting spot cleaning in the future, use minimal moisture. Apply cleaning solution to the cloth, not the fabric. Work from the outside of the stain inward. And always blot rather than rub to prevent agitation and dye movement. Keep a written record of the cleaning products and methods used on each piece of furniture so you can avoid repeating treatments that triggered a reaction, and share that history with a professional if you need one. Common mistakes include continuing to clean after spotting discoloration, which often spreads the problem, so halt and dry the area immediately. Another frequent issue is using tap water on mineral-sensitive fabrics, which can leave rings. So switch to distilled water or very small amounts of a proper solvent and test first. A third problem is applying heat too close or too briskly, which can set stains or alter finishes, so always use low heat from a safe distance or let the piece air dry and seek professional help if the mark persists. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find work and showcase projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share real-world cleaning experiences and practical tips so you can learn what worked for people with similar fabrics.